Hi, David Taylor with another look at math and counting. What I wanted to do today is I want to show you how we are taught to count, and also take another look at that, because what we actually use is the Arabic system in counting. Whenever you're in elementary school, they say, well, I want you to count to 10, and you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they say 10 is the magic number. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to look at that magic number, and I wanted to move it over 1 and use the Arabic system and start counting by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and say that 9 is the magic number. And of course, you'll see that 9 is the magic number because whenever I count, and I like to start with zeros, because so often the zeros are left out, and this is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And now what I want you to do is to count again, and I want you to go 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start all over. 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In other words, this is a continuum. It doesn't stop. And then what I want you to do is I want you to count forward this time. Go with the 1, 2, 3, because it's as easy as that. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then whenever you get to 9 or a multiple of 9, whenever I say a multiple of 9, I'm saying 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, on and on and on. You do that number, the number one time again, and then you go with 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Remember, 18 is a multiple of 9, so you would do 18 again, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Remember, it's a multiple of 9, so you do 27 again. And that's basically counting. And of course, you can see where the 9 is the magic number now, because 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. And also, I used to have problems like discerning, like, is it 64 or 63? And what I'd like to do is I'd like to let you also know on another little secret of the 9. If I add the sum of the product, and whenever I say the sum of the product, if I add the 1 and the 8, I'll get 9. If I add 2 and the 7, I get 9. If I add 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, well, you know, you would have the idea that it won't work whenever you get over these large numbers, but you'll see it's 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. And even if you have 99, as you do here, it's equal to 18, and that 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So if you reduce it down to its lowest form, it's all good, because what happens is that it will be equal to 9. Now, the good thing about this is just a little trick, and it works with better with just 2 numbers times 9. Now, it works with any number by 9. I know that if I have a number, for instance, 27, and I want to multiply it times 9. Now, what I do is I use this little tool here. I take the 2 and the 7. This will be the first step. Divide the 2 and the 7. Okay? And then I'll take 1 and I'll add to the 2. And so that'll give me the B part. And so that'll be, go with the 27 again, and then I'll take this 3 over here, and I'll subtract it from the original number, and so that'll give me a 2 and a 4. Now remember what I also told you? That 2 plus 4 plus what will give you 9. So you can look at 2 plus 4, and you will see that it also will equal 9. And you can do this with every number. This will be the C part whenever you add these numbers here. And that is equal to 9. So that the way I use this particular little device here is before I go into math class, what I'll do is I'll say 9 times 17 is 153. 45 times 9 is 45. In other words, I'm doing this in my head, and it's like the analogy I like to use with like a weightlifter. A weightlifter doesn't go into the gym and just pick up the biggest weight over his head. I mean, that would be crazy. So what a weightlifter does is they go in there and they build those muscles up, start burning some of those muscle cells, and then they bigger and bigger and bigger, and then they take the big weight and throw it up over their head. The same thing for you. If you start doing this before you go into math class, it sort of acclimates your mind so that whenever you go through this multiplication thing, you're ready for the math, and it portions your brain so that you will do and understand math a lot easier. And that's the little trick for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching.